So over here you can see that I have a PowerPoint file right here. And let's say what I want to do is I want to go ahead and convert it out into a PDF file so that even those without PowerPoint can access out my slide. So to do that, you can simply go to ILovePDF.com, and once you go around over here, you can see that PowerPoint to PDF is an option over here. You can even go around over here on the top and then access PowerPoint to PDF right here, just like this, or go to all PDF tools and select out PowerPoint to PDF right here. Once you do that, you can go ahead and load up PowerPoint file. In my case, I'm going to select PowerPoint file right here, and I'm going to select out the different PowerPoint files right here. Let me just select one right here and press open, and you have an option to go ahead and load up more PowerPoint files as you want as well. But let me just go around over here and then remove out this one right here, just like this. And now you don't need to work around with any settings. You can simply go ahead and click on Convert to PDF right here. So once you go ahead and do that, this is what you have, and you can go ahead and save it to cloud drives as you want. And then you can click on Download PDF and then click on Save right here. And as you do that and click right here, you can see that this is what you have. You got the PowerPoint slides right here, just like this, as let's say, for example, a PDF file that you can go ahead and share out to others easily. So that is basically how you can go ahead and convert our PowerPoint to PDF using ILovePDF. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.